5:30. It is humid out there. It's going to get hot, but we're on the trail of a breaking news story in the last half hour. An earthquake felt area-wide here. It's affecting a lot of people, but they don't say anything about damage. They talk about a dump truck passing by. Marty's communicating with a lot of people on email about
We've gotten at least 100 emails in the past 20 minutes. Everybody, there's now a thread going through these emails. This is area-wide. I don't care where you're watching. I haven't gotten a whole lot from Harford County. I'm not going to lie about that. Harford and Cecil County. But everybody's saying it lasted about 10 seconds, felt like a dump truck, or loud claps of thunder.
Well, why don't we show them this after we do check in with the traffic and do the weather?
You want to do the weather first, guys?
The traffic, and then we'll check on what we found on the internet.
This amazing stuff. Let's take a look at this graphic. We have a...
Continuing to follow breaking news. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, a 3.6 magnitude earthquake has struck most of Maryland. The warning point is confirming, the Maryland warning point is confirming tremors being felt all the way to Virginia, by the way. We'll continue to follow this breaking news of the morning. We've got all kinds of things on the internet that Marty's brought up.
Yeah, let's just go ahead and take a look at this. We found an email that we think is close to what would be the epicenter, somewhere between Laurel and Germantown, leading toward Germantown. This is from Dayton, Maryland.
Close to Columbia.
Morning, just letting you know, my son and I were woken by a loud noise and a house shaking for several seconds at 5:04 this morning. Now, let me show you what we have got. In the Potomac-Shenandoah region, a magnitude 3.6 earthquake. Now, let me show you something very interesting here. There's a summary. You get a global picture, but I can show you some maps right now, and particularly the shake map. This is kind of fascinating. Here's our region. Yeah, there's the epicenter of the earthquake. Once again, around, you're right, Don, closer to Germantown than Laurel, now that it's being triangulated. But you can see where the biggest of the shake was. Here's Baltimore right here.
And look how far the purple circle goes.
Yeah, you felt this all the way up to the Mason-Dixon line and down into southern Maryland on the western shore and throughout what you consider to be the Dulles, D.C. suburb region of Virginia.
Yeah.
Remember I told you we hadn't had a lot from Cecil County or Harford County. A few from Baltimore County, but that's basically going to be the area.
Well, I live in the Towson area, which is about right up in here, and I felt it at 5:05 a.m. The entire house shook, everything shook, and I heard a loud rumbling sound. It didn't sound like a dump truck. It was a deep, rumbling, growling sound, and like I said, the entire house shook. So that's what I felt.